Hi friends, there is a surprise to you. So on this Sankranti and Pongal, my kids wanted to wish you all a happy Sankranti and Pongal. Yes, so wish.
Happy Pongal! Happy Sankranti!
Okay, so here is the wishes from my family and all the very best for those who are awaiting results and those who are appearing for the exams. So this year should bring you all the happiness and yes.
Like, share, subscribe to
What's your dad's channel?
my dad's channel.
What's your dad's channel?
Tarun's Brainery.
Yes, Tarun's Brainary channel. Yes, keep supporting guys. So because of your support only, so we are here. So thank you all. Celebrate this festival with flying colors. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello my dear CA final May 22 students. So here is an announcement to all of you which you are awaiting for about the books for your May 22 CA final indirect tax exam. So 3 books I am releasing for May 22 exam. That is number 1, That's It. So which is pocket book. So many students have given a very good feedback about That's It book in the last exam. So like many messages they have poured in immediately after the exam that your That's It book is sufficient sir, plus your 50 questions Q&A's questions that you have discussed so before the exam. So that marathon has helped us a lot, and that's what the feedback that many students have given, and I have improved That's It book from the last time to this time by incorporating some extra points from exam point of view, which is very important, and thereafter even a special index for amendments, like what are the amendments in That's It book, that is also incorporated, and here and there were some concepts which was not cleared, so those concepts were also added. So that's how the That's It book is made, and that book is a A5 size book, so it is like a compact one, and that will serve your need for one day before the exam, for one day or 1.5 day if you want to do the revision. So that book will definitely help you. And the second book is Revise. So Revise, so that is like a summary book, a comprehensive book that contains illustrations, charts, interlinking provisions, and some difficult concepts converted into small concept illustrations to understand. So that Revised book I just started 2 attempts before, and last attempt it came out well, and that book also I have like incorporated all the May 22 amendments and rectified certain typographical errors and added few more concepts, and I have made it pakka for May 22 exam. So what is the difference between That's It book and Revised book? See, That's It book is only for those who already attended the classes and they wanted to just have a quick revision, so just before the exam. For them it is That's It book, in the sense like they have already attended the regular batches for the last attempt, like November 21 or May 22 regular batch they are attending, and for that revision so they can go for That's It book. And Revised book is for those who really forgot the subject, say 1 year before they would have taken coaching and they are appearing for May 22 exam, they would have forgot the subject and they wanted to revise the entire subject once again, so then they should definitely go for Revised book. So That's It and Revised book are mutually exclusive, so in the sense you don't have to buy both the books, any one book depending upon your need you can go for it. So it is like already you have lot of books but you need some book for last minute revision, then you can go for That's It. Or you wanted to depend on one book, a wholesome revision that you wanted to make like 1 year before you attended the classes, like say for example May 21 attempt, like that you attended the classes and you are appearing for May 22, or November 21 you attended very much well in advance but you don't have time to revise and now you wanted to start afresh, then you can go for Revised book. And then Solved workbook. See, Solved workbook is like, it's like any student can purchase it. If you are buying That's It book also you can buy Solved workbook, if you are buying Revised book also you can buy Solved workbook. Solved workbook contains problems and solutions, and around some 1000 and odd questions I have incorporated, including ICI, MCQs, case studies, etc. So these are the 3 books. So That's It, which is a pocket book, a pakka summary for last minute revision. Then Revised book that contains charts, illustrations, and some concept questions also. and finally solve workbook, which is like chapter wise ocean of questions and answers answered as per the updated provisions for May 22 exam. So these are the three books that are available, and I am restricting myself to publish these three books only attempt after attempt, because my regular book which I am giving to the Google Drive students, so that book I am not releasing for sale, because there will be lot of spaces in that book wherein I will be making my students who are attending the Google Drive so to write some notes in that book. So that's why I could not make it sale, keep it for sale. So these three books are available, and even we have maintained the same price and even little lesser price. Okay, so That's It book is 300 rupees, the same price we are continuing for last 1 year. And then Revise, so that book is 675 rupees, same, no change in the price. And Solve workbook was 800 last time, so this time we just reduced it to 649, so to make it beneficial for the students. And moreover, the binding quality, so that is one thing which many students have given, sir, please maintain binding quality. Yes, that is also taken care, and we put lot of efforts this time to make it more attractive, at the same time eliminate lot of mistakes, etc. And therefore definitely you can go for these books, and whatever support that is there, so through this YouTube channel I will be definitely providing you. And from this Saturday onwards I am planning for, that is tomorrow onwards, I am planning for a revision of Solve workbook, and that revision of Solve workbook, so I will be doing, so every Saturday for 3 hours I am planning to do that. So starting from tomorrow, so that will be like I'll be uploading it in the YouTube channel, so in my YouTube channel itself, so you can start watching it every Saturday. So 3 hours from 10 to 1 I'll be doing the Solve workbook revision also. And this That's It book revision, rocket revision, so actually from this That's It book only I'll be doing a rocket revision, so that I am planning somewhere Feb end or March first week. That's where I am planning, that is immediately after the result, and that I am planning for taking it live. I will give you the details about that. Okay, and guys, really I just wanted to tell you one important thing, that so today morning I just thought, so my family is happy, and I'm able to eat food happily, and I'm able to meet all my necessities, and everything is happy around me. And just 1 minute I thought as to who is the reason behind all these things. It is my students, no one else, no one else, not even my parents. So because my parents gave me birth but they left me, so that's different reason. But from nowhere, wherein I got everything only because of you. So therefore really I am so happy today. It's only because of you, your support for last 13 years. So my God, amazing. So because when I came to Chennai, I came with one bag of clothes and 2-3 books, and today I have everything. I'm really contented in my life. I have everything in my life, and I have a family, I have a house, I have a vehicle, I have everything. It's only because of you, and please keep supporting me, and I'm always indebted to you. I want to do many things for you, and thanks a lot. So thanks a lot, because on this auspicious occasion of Pongal or Sankranti, I just wanted to tell, because if I'm celebrating any festival, it's completely because of you only. Thank you. Love you all.